How to publish your Lovable AI app on the Google Play Store. Open up Lovable AI, select all projects, and then locate the app which you want to publish on the Google Play Store. Now click on the publish button in the top right and just make sure that your app is published and working here. Once you have confirmed that your app is working, we want to copy the link for it, the URL, and then go to this website median.co, which is going to turn your web app into a native app by simply adding the URL and selecting build your app. It is going to ask you for an email address and also to set a name for your app, and then once you're done you will click on start building my app. Now here, if you click on the simulator, you can track the progress for your app. So it's going to build for Android and iPhone, and once this has completed building, then you can click on build and download from the left hand side, and you will see Android APK or AAB file. Once you click on APK/AAB file, these are the formats which you need for the Google Play Store. This is going to build it and it is going to let you download it. So we're just going to wait for this to complete, and I'm going to show you that it does in fact let you download it. And how this is going to work: once you download it, you will need to upload it as long as you have a Play Store developer account or the Google Play Store developer account. Okay, so the final steps of building, you can click on download and then you will see download APK or AAB. Once you select it, then this is going to download your application. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.